Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this center console lid on the jump seat of a 19 to present Silverado. I think they put these in the Tahoes as well, so if you got a Tahoe with this jump seat, it'll work for that as well. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. There wasn't many videos out there. We're going to open up the lid here just like this. And then you'll see this cover down here at the bottom, right above the actual hinge point. It's really simple. You just want to get in the side here, just like that, down kind of right by that line. Probably the thinner the flat blade, the better, or use a plastic trim tool if you don't want to mar it up. But basically you have this cover plate, and it's got these little clips here, and it clips in the holes here, and that holds that on. And then you just have 4 torque screws here. You're going to move this forward. Don't just yank it off, because you have these little tabs holding it on up here, so you have to lean it in a little bit and slide it up, just like that. A brand new lid from the dealership here. We're going to just take this. All right, you got our piece in front, slid in the tabs there. We're going to go ahead and put the screws back in. All right, I just want to check, make sure everything closes properly. And you're all set. Pop your cover back on. And don't forget to swap your rubber piece over from the last one. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this video.